The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, with a height of 182 meters, located near Kevadia in the state of Gujarat, India. It depicts Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and an adherent of Mahatma Gandhi. Patel was highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 princely states of India to form the single Union of India. The statue is located in Gujarat on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam 100 km southeast of the city of Vadodara. The project was first announced in 2010, and construction started in October 2013 by Indian company Larsen & Toubro, with a total construction cost of 27 billion. It was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sudhir and was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on October 31, 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth. History. Narendra Modi announced the project on October 7, 2013 to mark the beginning of his 10th year as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. A society named Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust was formed under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Gujarat, to execute the project. Statue of Unity movement was started in 2013 to collect the iron needed for the statue by asking farmers to donate their used farming instruments. By 2016, a total of 135 metric tons of scrap iron had been collected and about 109 tons of it was used to make the foundation of the statue after processing. A marathon titled Run for Unity was held on December 15, 2013 in Surat and Vadodara in support of the project. Design and construction. Design. After studying statues of Patel across the country, a team of historians, artists, and academics chose a design submitted by the Indian sculptor Ram V. Sudhir. The Statue of Unity is a larger version of a statue of the leader installed at Ahmedabad International Airport. Commenting on the design, Ram Sudhir's son, Anil Sudhir explains that, the expression, posture, and pose justify the dignity, confidence, iron will as well as kindness that his personality exudes. The head is up, a shawl flung from shoulders and hands are on the side as if he is set to walk. 3 models of the design measuring 3 feet, 18 feet, and 30 feet were initially created. Once the design of the largest model was approved, a detailed 3D skin was produced which formed the basis for the bronze cladding cast in a foundry in China. Patel's dhota-clad legs and the use of sandals for footwear rendered the design thinner at the base than at the top, thereby affecting its stability. This was addressed by maintaining a slenderness ratio of 16:19 rather than the customary 8:14 ratio of other tall buildings. The statue is built to withstand winds of up to 180 km per hour and earthquakes measuring 6.5 on the Richter scale, which are at a depth of 10 km and within a radius of 12 km of the statue. This is aided by the use of 2 250-ton tuned mass dampers ensuring maximum stability. The total height of the structure is 240 m, with a base of 58 m and the statue measuring 182 m. The height of 182 meters was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. Funding. The Statue of Unity was built by a public-private partnership model, with most of the money coming from the government of Gujarat. The Gujarat state government had allotted 500 crore for the project in its budget from 2012 to 2015. In the 2014-15 Union budget, 200 crore was allocated for the construction of the statue. Funds were also contributed by public sector undertakings under the Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme. Construction. A consortium comprising Turner Construction, Michael Graves, and Associates and the Meinhardt Group supervised the project. The project took 57 months to complete, 15 months for planning, 40 months for construction and 2 months for handing over by the consortium. The total cost of the project was estimated to be about 2063 crore by the government. The tender bids for the first phase were invited in October 2013 and were closed in November 2013. Narendra Modi, then serving as the Chief Minister of Gujarat, laid the statue's foundation stone on October 31, 2013, the 138th anniversary of Patel's birth. Indian infrastructure company Larsen & Toubro won the contract on October 27, 2014 for its lowest bid of 2989 crore for the design, construction, and maintenance of the statue. L&T commenced the construction on October 31, 2014. In the first phase of the project, 1347 crore was earmarked for the main statue, 235 crore for the exhibition hall and convention center, 83 crore for the bridge connecting the memorial to the mainland and 657 crore for the maintenance of the structure for a duration of 15 years after its completion. The Sadhu Bet hillock was flattened from 70 meters to 55 meters to lay the foundation of the statue. L&T employed over 3,000 workers and 250 engineers in the statue's construction. The core of the statue used 210,000 cubic meters of cement and concrete, 6,500 tons of structural steel, and 18,500 tons of reinforced steel. The outer facade is made up of 1,700 tons of bronze plates and 1,850 tons of bronze cladding, which in turn consists of 565 macro and 6,000 micro panels. The bronze panels were cast in Jiangxi Tongqing Metal Handicrafts Co. Ltd. in China, as facilities large enough for such casting were unavailable in India. The bronze panels were transported overseas and then by road to a workshop near the construction site where they were assembled. Local tribals belonging to the Tadvi tribe opposed the land acquisition for the development of tourism infrastructure around the statue. Around 300 activists were arrested ahead of unveiling of the statue. People of Kevadia, Kothia, Wagodia, Limdi, Navagam, and Gora villages opposed the construction of the statue and demanded the restitution of the land rights over 375 hectares of land acquired earlier for the dam, as well as for the formation of a new Garadeshwar sub-district. They also opposed the formation of Kevadia Area Development Authority and the construction of the Garadeshwar Wirkum Causeway project. The government of Gujarat accepted most of their demands. Construction of the monument was completed in mid-October 2018, and the inaugural ceremony was held on October 31, 2018, and was presided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The statue has been described as a tribute to Indian engineering skills. Features: the Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue at 182 meters. It rises 54 meters higher than the previous record holder, the Spring Temple Buddha in China's Henan province. The previous tallest statue in India was the 41 m tall statue of Lord Hanuman at the Paritala Anjaneya temple near Vijayawada in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The statue can be seen within a 7 km radius. The monument is constructed on a river island named Sadhu Bet, 3.2 km away from and facing the Narmada Dam downstream. The statue and its surroundings occupy more than 2 hectares, and are surrounded by a 12 km long artificial lake formed by the Garadeshwar Weir downstream on the Narmada River. The statue is divided into 5 zones, of which only 3 are accessible to the public. From its base to the level of Patel's shins is the first zone, which has 3 levels and includes the exhibition area, mezzanine, and roof. The first zone also contains a memorial garden and a museum. The second zone reaches up to Patel's thighs, while the third extends up to the viewing gallery at a height of 153 meters. The fourth zone is the maintenance area, while the final zone comprises the head and shoulders of the statue. The museum in the first zone catalogues the life of Sardar Patel and his contributions. An adjoining audio-visual gallery provides a 15-minute-long presentation on Patel and also describes the tribal culture of the state. The concrete towers which form the statue's legs contain 2 elevators each. Each lift can carry 26 people at a time to the viewing gallery in just over 30 seconds. The gallery is located at a height of 153 meters and can hold up to 200 people. Tourism. Over 128,000 tourists visited the statue in the 11 days after its opening to the public on November 1, 2018. The daily average tourist footfall at Statue of Unity during November 2019 reached 15,036, outpacing the Statue of Liberty. It has been included in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's 8 Wonders of SCO list. In its first year of operation, the Statue of Unity attracted 2,900,000 visitors and collected 82 crore in ticket revenue. By March 15, 2021, 5 million tourists visited the venue. It was visited by 1 crore people by November 2022. Gallery.